If you want to take your pixie cut wig from this to this, then this tutorial is for you. One of the most important things is to have a good foundation or prep the wig well. So I started by just plucking the frontal and then make my parting. Frontal pixie cut wigs are mostly side parts, be straight or C-cut. I did some trimming here and there. I did the flipper and then I finished off with this razor comb. This is just spraying water on the wig and then I just lick it down with the brush before applying my styling mousse. I wrapped it and allowed it air dry overnight. This is what it looks like the following morning, and this is what I mean by good foundation. It was already looking good, and at this point I was like, let's say 85% done. The rest of the job is just fun, just do your thing. I styled the shorter part of the wig with this pencil straightener, then I styled the longer part with my coil. If you're excited about what you've learned today, join us in person for our upcoming class to deepen your wig styling ability and learn new techniques. Kindly click the link in bio or send us a DM for more inquiries. Thank you for watching and see you in class.